वाह ये
अच्छा सर
Hello, hello.
बेटा दो तुम्हारे
उल्टा ये गाड़ी चलेगी
the truth of science. The truth of science. Thank you. Have a good day. आपके सामने विज्ञान विषय पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। विज्ञान है हमारे जीवन का आधार। विज्ञान ने की है हर कल्पना साकार। विज्ञान ने की है हर मुश्किल आसान। विज्ञान ने संसार को दिया है एक नया अवतार।
The moment we have all been waiting for, the science exhibition. Our students have been working hard to bring their ideas to life, and they are excited to showcase their project to you. We have a wide range of exhibits today, covering various fields of science, including physics, chemistry, and biology, and more. Each project reflects
functions. There are different functions like you can it is written here P upon H. It is the value of sin theta and cos theta is P upon H and 10 is P upon P and furthermore. And there are many values written on the trigonometric table about 45 degree, 30 degree and 90 degree. In cos also it is the same. And
when the sunlight enters the plastic or glass, it traps inside and absorbs the greenhouse gases like methane, carbon dioxide, etc., which increases the temperature inside and makes it suitable for growth of unseasonable plants like red capsicum and yellow capsicum, which are
oxygen is passing to nasal cavity and from there to pharynx, then larynx, then it is going to trachea. Then from trachea it is going to lungs, and at in the lungs it is going through bronchi, and from bronchi it is going to bronchioles. And at the end of bronchioles there are grapes-like structure called alveoli. There is exchange of gases of oxygen and carbon dioxide, and from the same passage the CO.
The smoke particle will mix to water, and this will help to reduce the pollute air particles. And this is the second model of the factory. And when these smoke particles will come out of this factory, the smoke particles will go to charge, and the smoke particle will get converted into fresh air, and it will come out of from this chimney. Thank you.
etc. So let's embark on this scientific journey together. To officiate in organ to this event, we will now proceed with the lighting of the ceremonial lamp. This symbolizes the light of knowledge and spirit of innovation. I invite our respected principal sir to come forward and light the lamp.
Central Government 1987, the National Council for Science and Communication announced the creation of the Science Organization awards which recognize individuals for their contributions in the realm of science and communications. Science plays in our daily lives. National Science Day provides an opportunity for the honor to efforts made by scientists, researchers and innovators in the field of science. This event not only pays tribute to the
Science, the realm of endless wonder, a quest of knowledge, the pursuit of truth. A quest of knowledge, the pursuit of truth. Laws of physics, chemical reactions, astronomical astrology, biology of wonders. Science is the guiding star. Science is the guiding star. संसार में है उजियारा, इसके बिना चारों ओर होगा अंधियारा। विज्ञान का सदुपयोग है वरदान और दुरुपयोग है अभिशाप। विज्ञान है हमारे जीवन का आधार, विज्ञान ने की है हर कल्पना साकार। धन्यवाद, आपका दिन मंगलमय हो।
To remember the importance of scientific thinking, innovation and curiosity. Science is not just found in our textbooks or exams, it is all over around us. Electricity, internet and even the mobile phones in your pockets are all gifts of science which we take for granted. Science education fosters critical thinking and problem solving skills. This day is not only just to remember the great scientists but also to recognize the importance of science in our life. Today, Aisha Thakur of grade +2 will explain the astronomical telescope. Telescopes are basically of two types. The reflecting type of telescope.
Explain as we go back.
Microscope.